What's something you've done that unexpectedly made you a lot of money? I went on a vacation years ago. I left my wife with her parents and family and decided to take the rental car for a drive. I ended up in a pawn store a few hours away. I asked the pawnbroker what he had that was a bargain. He pulled out a nice strand of pearls, but I could see that he had a lot of pearl strands in the desk drawer and in his safe. He offered to sell the one strand to me at a great price. I said, "What if I buy them all?" He said there were 400 strands total. We ended up doing the deal and I loaded 400 strands of pearls in my car and drove back to the lake house. I paid $10 a strand for 18-inch strands and up to $40 a strand for 86-inch strands. Except for the large endless strands, all the rest had 14K gold clasps on them. The clasps at the time were $20 each wholesale, so I knew I couldn't go wrong with this deal. Anyway, I was selling the pearl strands for $99 to $150 each and they were still a bargain. A VP of my bank came in to buy a strand. He liked it but wanted something better for his wife. I said, "I have just the thing for you in my office." I went and put one of the same $99 necklaces in a $15 wooden box and took it out to him. I slowly opened the beautiful box in front of him. "Is this more like what you were looking for?" He loved the pearl strand in the box. He said, "How much is this one?" "This one is $400. I